Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video we do have some links and at the bottom of the video it's flashing grow your money 27% per year. Okay, so we need to talk about all these things before we start the analysis. Now the link here at the bottom says the first one, swing trading on automation. So when you click on the first link, then enter your email, come to this page here and watch this video, and then you will understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can get this software, install it on your chart. I will tell you on which pair, and leave it running for 5 years and just grow your money 27% each year. Okay, now this is guaranteed. I am giving you 5 years money back guarantee. I want you to run this for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4, 5 years because I know this is guaranteed. Okay, so coming back here, second link says book consultation and check broker. So in case you want to talk to me, you can book consultation with me and you can check out the brokers if you want to join them. Now I want to give you one more specifics here, because when you talk about 27% per year, for some people they will say it's not much. For some people who are actually serious, they will say it's a lot. Okay, because when you speak to some serious stock traders or investors, serious, who invest millions and billions and trillions, okay, they are not looking for doubling their money. Okay, no serious investor or stock trader wants to double their money in 1 month or 6 months. They know this is not how the markets work. Okay, so a stock trader will be very happy if they get 3% return per month. Okay, so go and check this out. Go and talk to any stock trader if you know how much profits can they pull out from the market every month or per year. Okay, so if you are a gambler, only a gambler will have this mindset of doubling the money within a month or within a week or within 15 days. Okay, we are not talking about gambling here. We are talking about a hardcore setup method which does not need any human intervention, and I have made this software based on daily time frame only. It's not scalping. A scalping robot will not survive. I am ahead of the time. Okay, so yes, you're you will be on the internet watching this robot, that robot, but what I have done is a daily swing trading robot, not some 5 minute, 15 minute. They don't survive. Okay, so this thing is going to make profits for a number of years to come. Mark my words, even if you die, this will make money for your kids if you give this to them. I am very, very serious about this. I'm giving 5 years money back guarantee for no reason, because I know this is going to print money and it is tested and proven. Okay, so coming back again here, if you're serious, because I will do the analysis, but you go on YouTube and you watch videos from everybody, this analysis, that analysis, fine, but not everybody is 100% correct. You know that, and sometimes you will make money, most of the times you will lose money. So you have to decide if you really want to gamble or you really want to make profits. Okay, because now in this DNA age, I have automated it. So when I have created this software, it's just my human brain into this software. That's it. Okay, and it does deliver the results, but it's not for gamblers. Gamblers means you want results within a week, within 10 days, within a month. It's not for you. It's for people who wants to leave their money at work, set, forget, and then just come and check every month what's your balance. Okay, so I wanted to explain this because people who are watching this video, they are looking for some analysis. But again, trust me, if you are trying to double your money within a month or two, you are just a gambler, you're not a trader. Okay, so subscribe, like and share, and get this robot if that helps you, because it's only for serious people who have the money and they just want to set and forget and just set this robot and carry on with your daily life, with your job, with your family. You don't even have to check anything. Okay, more details you can find on this page, or you can talk to me, you can book consultation, check out the brokers, and I'll explain everything how these things work. So thanks for listening to me so far, and now let's start the analysis. Alright, USDJPY. So let's start the analysis with weekly time frame. In weekly, we have broken these lows. Okay, this low is broken, which means this is the start of a new. This could be the start of a new downtrend, but pullback will happen. Okay, Coming back to daily time frame, in daily we have not broken the low, so the rejection is right here. Okay, you can see this low is rejected, not broken. So in 4 hour, what we got? In 4 hour, we are rejecting the EMA again. Like, so this has not broken yet. So this is your last BOS. There you go. It is not broken yet. So we have the downward momentum. We might go down. This is your consolidation phase. And if you are smart enough, then you know this, and then you know this. Okay, the price is in the zone. Whichever zone breaks, we will go in that direction. If this breaks, we will go up. If this breaks, we go down. Okay. Personally, I am not looking for trading USDJPY. Look for the Euro USD or GBP USD to trade. Okay. And if you listen to me in the beginning, if you are a gambler, then carry on trying your luck and see if you can make some money by gambling. Otherwise, you want guaranteed profits, then check out the first link below. Set and forget for number of years and just print money. Okay. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next videos. Till then, take care.